everyone, it's Bonnie. I have a Valentine's Day coffee bar update for you guys. So I have a coat rack next to my coffee bar, and this is where I keep my wallflower refills from Bath & Body Works. I have a Valentine's Day candle, the frosted sugar cookies, and the Rae Dunn candle matches for my candle. And then there is the coat rack. Right next to the coffee bar, I have this cute little sign from Clean Living with Jen. She sent me this. It says, "Coffee makes everything possible." And then you can kind of see what I've done with the coffee bar. So I took my Rae Dunn red Christmas mugs and I just turned them around. I didn't want to spend a lot of money to jazz this up for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to go through and just show you what I did really quickly. It was super easy, and it really didn't, I would say it probably cost me probably like maybe $20 to $30 to actually do this coffee bar up as Valentine's Day. So the first thing I got were these cute little Valentine's Day travel mugs that my husband takes to work. Like, you get heart mugs, and they did come with the cute little wraparounds. I love you a latte and love. This was a Rae Dunn Valentine's Day dish. I think that was $5.99 that I got. And then I picked up a few cute little things from the dollar store, the little XOXO heart. I got another stack of mugs, the travel mugs. And then I actually decided that I was going to put my strawberry pound cake spray back here because I have the dining room behind me and I do use those as room sprays. So I wanted to have my strawberry pound cake out there, and then I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. These are just cute little hearts. I think they were $2.50 for a bag, and I put those up there. And then I think I only bought, oh, there's my strawberry pound cake Bath & Body Works candle, of course. I only bought a couple of mugs from Rae Dunn. I think I bought like two. One says hugs and one is a heart. Those are from the dollar store, those little hearts. There was a pack of 3 of them for $1. And then I have a Christmas bowl right there with my Christmas gnome. And then I bought 2 balloons. I got those at the dollar store, so $1 each. So I was able to easily turn my Christmas coffee bar into a Valentine's Day coffee bar by buying a couple of Rae Dunn mugs for $5.99. Adding some Bath & Body Works candles into the mix, buying a few travel mugs with a Valentine's Day motif, and then I added the balloons and some Valentine's Day chocolate and candles. And like I said, it probably, I would say at the most, cost me about maybe $25 with the new Rae Dunn pieces that I bought. And then I had covered my old kind of buffet there with some plastic strips that I got to make it look weathered from Hobby Lobby. And that's my Valentine's Day coffee bar for this year.